Hi, are you considering learning Python? Then you are in the right place. Well, 5 things you should know before you watch my full Python playlist. Number 1. No ideas about any programming language. That is still fine because I will start from the scratch and Python is a good option to start your coding journey. However, if you are wondering is Python the best option to start your coding journey? Well, I would say no. I personally kickstart my coding journey with C programming. Part of the reason is that you can have more hassle, you can see more backend behind the scene action of programming when you start with C. Some even recommend C++ or Java is a very good option to start your coding journey. Number 2, Python is simple to learn compared to other languages. Its syntax or code is very easy to follow. For example, the problem you solve in C++ or Java by writing 20 to 30 lines of code. In Python, no way. It might take only 5 to 10 lines of code. Plus, if you already have some experience of other programming languages under your belt, you can master your Python skill in a very quick time. Number 3, the best part of Python. You can use it from data analysis to game development, app creation, website creation, and many other cases. It's like the jack of all trades. But here is the thing. Having so many applications doesn't mean it is the fast choice for all cases. For example, for creating app or websites, people prefer to use other programming languages than Python. So for different purposes or tasks, people prefer to use specialist languages than Python because that could pack an extra punch. Well, that being said, I think specifically for machine learning and data science stuffs, Python is the most popular languages out there. Number 4, libraries or packages. Well, Python is a powerhouse of tools and libraries that makes your job easier than ever. Well, it's like having a ready-made toolbox at your fingertips. With just one line of code, you can access pre-built functions to simplify your workflow. Specifically for data science, we'll be learning libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and a lot of cool stuffs. Number 5, when you learn Python, especially if you're a beginner, just consider it learning like a communicative language, like English, It's the same as starting with alphabet, like A for apple, or maybe B for ball. I know it sounds crazy, but I think as a beginner, if you think this way, when you start learning Python symbol, you will find it less complicated. Guys, if you like this video, if you think that this playlist can help you out from whatever social media platform you're watching this video, make sure you connect with us by clicking the follow, like, or subscribe button. See you in the next video.